fighters, Evan Bacosa Pacquiao. Reynold Contiman of Jakarta, Indonesia. Fighting Evan Bacosa Pacquiao of Davao City, Philippines. Fight stance and face off for the camera. We are also being covered by Bohol and Cebu media in attendance.